Wandering around by the frozen lake, Fhlannchaidh. His name was Buinneán Buí. A great name. But he was dying for a drink. And of course there was nothing open. And lying dead on the ice of Fhlannchaidh, he found a little bird, the yellow bittern, the Buinneán Buí, lying there with his legs sticking up in the air. And he picked him up and he laid him on his hand like that. And he said, "What was it killed you? Was it hunger? No. Was it love? A broken heart? No. It was the want of a drink." And he said, "Please God, I'll never be caught in the same predicament again myself." Oh, the Buinneán Buí that ne'er broke out on a drinking bout, might as well have drunk, for his bones are thrown on a naked stone, where he lived alone like a hermit monk. Ah, Buinneán Buí, I pity your lot, though they say that a sot like myself was cursed. I was sober a while, but I'll drink and be wise, for I fear I may die in the end of thirst.
Ah, Buinneán Buí, c'est ma chrad an lí, is doch na bishintje like alum. Is not gentle thee, no dolly satir, is not varlat vin, na ish gehol.
Shadurt Nastoria. Oh, my darling, she told me to drink no more, or my life would be o'er in a little short while. Ah, but I said it was drink gives me health and strength, and will lengthen my road by many a mile. See how the bird of the long, smooth neck could get his death from the thirst at last. So come, son of my soul, fill up your glass, for you'll get no sup when your life is past. Fill 'em up again.